Inside the ATS cabinet, below the breaker, is conduits for generator cables coming in. This is with no load.
Now I'm gonna go to with load.